Here is the overhead camera stand that I created for you. You can see here how it's going to work, how great your projects are going to look. And how convenient it is. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make an overhead camera stand for your tablet or your cell phones or whatever camera you have. So what we have here is I purchased a 10-foot PVC pipe, which is 1/2 inch thick. I had them cut down to one piece here, which is 1/21 inch, 3 13 inches, 2 11, 1 7, and 1 3 inch pipe. With the remainder of the pipe, I had my son cut 2 extra pieces 8.5 inches long. Now I took the liberty of taking the plain white PVC pipe that has print on it, and I've taken this glitter tape and I covered it. This glitter tape is from Joann's. It's called Art Minds. It's gorgeous tape, but you can take yours and leave it plain, or you can spray paint it, or you can do whatever you like with it. So the other things that we have here are 3 elbows, 2 T's. Here's 1 T and here's the other T. And I also have 1 bolt right here. This is where we're going to be mounting our camera onto. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to take the 1/2 inch. Everything is 1/2 inch that we're buying, all the dimensions 1/2 inch. We're going to drill a hole through here. We're going to be inserting the screw through here, and we're going to be mounting our camera on here. So here it is already done, where you could see the screw inside, and I've already mounted my camera stand on here. My camera stand is for tablet on one side and cell phone on the other. And this one here is just a plain cell phone mount. So let's get started. Let's assemble this. Now, the extra 2 that I had my son cut for me are, because sometimes I don't have enough table space for working, so these are just going to be narrower so that I can have more space to work on. These are just extras. The 3 inch is an extra as well. This is for how close or how far you want your camera to go. So let's start with these are the 2 13s. We're going to take that and we're going to put 2 end caps on it. Now what I love about this idea is that if you want to be creative and take your stand with you, you could see how compact it is. It's just these pieces. Put it in a little bag and assemble it wherever you want to go. Especially if you're in the nail industry, crafting industry, anything that you do work with, overhead. Now I'm taking the 2 11 pieces and I'm sticking it to the end of the elbow. So this is going to come in here like that. Taking the other piece and I'm just going to stick it in here. Now I wouldn't glue these. Unless you're going to keep it in your house, there's no need to glue them. Now we're taking the T and we're going to put that facing upward. See that? It's facing upward. Now we're going to take the other one and we're going to insert that pipe in here, like so. Now we're going to put this down, making sure you adjust everything. Let me adjust that. Now we're going to take the 21 inch piece and we're going to put it in here. Whoops. Let me get these out of here. So these are in case you want your camera higher or lower. All right. So like I said, these are for adjusting if you want them higher, your camera higher or lower. And this 3-inch, well, let me finish assembling it. So now we're going to take the other elbow and we're going to assemble it right here, like so. Alrighty, let's see how I get this on camera for you. And then we're going to take our camera mount and we will stick it right here. Oops. Take the 3-inch, put it right here, and put that right here. One moment. So this is how it's going to work. So you can mount your camera here and work right here. Let me see if I can move this over a little bit. So that's how this works. Now if you want your camera stand to be a little lower, you can pick any of these different pipes and lower it whatever size you want. And as far as the width is concerned, if this is too wide for what your surface is, you can add these to the end so you have a smaller surface to work on. So guys, I hope that this is informative and fun for you. These are the instructions on the sizes. You can take a screenshot of that. And the whole amount of doing this was just $13.12. And I got this at the Home Depot. Alright guys, I hope that you like this. Let's see if I can just attach my camera on here. Now mind you, I didn't. There you go. Let's see. See? You can put your cell phone in here or flip it around and put your tablet on top and you've got it. You'll be able to create anything from up here to down here with plenty of space on the table where you can work and not have any obstacles in your way. Guys, I hope you like this idea. I hope you try it, and I will be finding the link to the person who showed this on YouTube so you can follow her page and give her credit. Thank you again for watching. I hope you do try this. And like I said, I put tape on mine because that's what I had. And I didn't want to go outside in the cold weather and spray paint it. Or you can leave it white. Or you can get some pretty tape for it as well. Okay, give it a thumbs up. See you soon. I did forget to mention how to disassemble this. So I'm going to take it apart for you and show you how easy this is to unassemble. The way I do it is I leave these elbows on here and the tabs, the end caps, like that. Take this apart here like that, and that is it. So if you're traveling or if you have anything to do outside of the home, you have this, which can go in a little bag, and I love it because it's portable, lightweight, and you can assemble it easy and quick wherever you go. So ladies out there and gentlemen who are crafters or that you want to teach, there's the way to go. Okay, thank you. Now I'm done.